Let's be school ready with teacher Ray. Is and are for beginners. The apple is red. The apples are red. Is, are, are. The toy is new. The toys are new. Is, are. Use is with one person, place, animal, or thing. Remember, if it's only one, we use is. Andy is in the playground. The house is big. The dog is playing. The tree is tall. Use are with two or more persons, places, animals, or things. Remember, for two or more, we use are. Andy and Anna are in the playground. The houses are big. The dogs are playing. The trees are tall. Let's have more examples. The girl is eating. The girls are eating. Is, are. The horse is fast. The horses are fast. Is, are. Let's practice. Encircle the correct answer. The pencil's blank long. What is the answer? Is or are? That's correct. Are. The pencils are long. The basket blank empty. What is the answer? Is or are? That's right. Is. The basket is empty. The kids blank happy. What is the answer? Is or are? That's correct. Are. The kids are happy. The kitten blank asleep. What is the answer? Is or are? That's right. Is. The kitten is asleep. The flowers blank pretty. What is the answer? Is or are? That's right. Are. The flowers are pretty. The park blank clean. What is the answer? Is or are? That's right. Is. The park is clean. Excellent! 5 gold stars for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.